Hachi, 8, Ku, 9, Ju, 10. Or some people say Chu. Okay, so the both are accented different. So again, Ich, Ni, San, Shi, Go, Ruk, Sis, Hachi, Ku, Chu. So this is the 10 count. So we go further from 10 count. So I go, if you go 11, Juich, Juni, Jusan, Jushi, Jugo, Juruk, Jusis, Juhachi, Juku, Niju. So this is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. This is counting. Now we go 10 to 100. Okay? So cross, go, cross. Okay, so the hand attack is going up. So each, knee, flat, she, go. Okay? Technically, hold, and hold. Okay? Here, each, knee, flat, she, go. Okay? So again, when you do that, you have to understand. You go down, go circle, go up to the chin, get down, hands up tight, sit tight, out, towards the knees, on knees, up, slow, straight, nice, and take your breathing. Okay? So try this, and I will give you more breakdown about this kata, another step on next video. Okay? Yes. Okay. Each knee. Okay. Each knee. Okay. Watch it. Each knee. You just watch it, right? Watch it. Don't do this. Just do it. Right? Okay, chapter number 2. So again, this is the second chapter. We are covering some more technique. So I just talk to you a little bit more about other technique. We say talk about the very entry level technique for the black belts who go take classes in school. So for them, Jodan, upper level start from neck to head. It's not chin to head, it's neck to head. Jodan, say Chudan. So your shoulder level to your belt level. Okay, so this is Chudan, shoulder level to your belt level. Shoulder level to your belt. This is the Chudan. So if you hit here, this is Chudan. Chudan. So this is called Chudan area. Okay? Look at this. Close tightly. She. Chudan. So when it go like this. Flick. It's not going like this. Otherwise you feel kind of stiff. Flick. Okay? Now. Knee, stop, she, go, look, right? Get out of cross, and then cross. Shoulder band like this, the same concept. See, when you do this, you go cross, and this, cross, and this, cross, and this, okay? So, what Goju, Shin is going cover the face. So, each. Sun, she, go, look, this, check, okay? Good. Each, knee, sun, she, go. Each, knee, sun, she, yeah. Each, knee, sun, she, go. Okay? Good side. Open hand, close hand. Right, left and down, right hand up, inch, move, start, shift. When you go
this. Open it, not this. Not this. Okay? This. Reach. Knee.
Right. My right side is Migi. Okay? Show me front. Show me knee, right. So say front. Okay? So like I'm taking class and I'm sure. Show me knee means where is the main people, like if you have a banner here or if you have a symbol here where you play, you rate. Or if you go in championship, Shomani is not Okagani, Shomani is the bears, the all the public sit, so they say. So when you turn right foot back, and then it's a Shomani, rate. Okay? So very important. Always remember.
So, okay? So, Uchuke, one of my favorite. Jonah. So, it's go with your body and it's go slow and come back. It's not attack here. It's not stop here. It's not stop. So go slow, push out and come in. Push out and come in. Each. Me. So, she. Go. Look. This. She. So, this. Go. Okay? So, this is some of the Ukewada. There's many more. So, the next one I will do more for you. So, reach, knee, reach, knee. Now go this way. So, reach, boom. Right? Got to accelerate. Boom. So, reach, knee, start, she, go, look, sit. Okay. More shuki. Very important. Try. If I know it very quick. So more shuki. Slow, reach. Knee. Reach. Knee.